In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Meta Business Suite. This is the tool that lets you manage your Facebook page and Instagram account in one place. So being able to access it quickly and confidently is really important. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and you can follow along on your own screen. First, open your web browser and go to Facebook's website. On the login page, enter the email address or phone number and password for your personal Facebook account that's associated with your business assets. This is important. You must use the personal account that has permission to manage the business pages or profiles you want to work with in Meta Business Suite. If you have more than one Facebook account, double check that you're logging into the right one. Once you've entered your details, click the login button and wait for your Facebook homepage to load. After you're logged in, look towards the bottom left corner of the screen. Here, you should see a shortcuts area with small icons or names of the pages and accounts you manage. This section usually includes your business pages, any additional profiles you manage, and sometimes groups as well. Find one of the business accounts that you want to manage through Meta Business Suite. Click on that business account from the shortcuts list. This tells Facebook which page or profile you want to work with and helps it open the right workspace inside Business Suite. Once the page for that business account has loaded, turn your attention to the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. This is the main navigation menu for your page tools. Scroll through the options until you see Meta Business Suite. It might appear with the Meta logo next to it. When you find it, click on Meta Business Suite. Facebook will now redirect you into the Meta Business Suite dashboard for that specific business account. Give it a moment to load. You should see an overview of your page performance, recent notifications, messages, and other tools for posts, ads, and insights. If you see this dashboard, you've successfully logged into Meta Business Suite. From here, you can start creating posts, replying to messages, checking notifications, or exploring analytics. And that's all you need to do. Log into your personal Facebook account, choose the business account from your shortcuts, and then select Meta Business Suite from the left-hand menu.